Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This is the last chase report of 2018, week 52. All of this I acquired on Monday, December 24. I received a package from Germany. I had ordered some stuff at My Toys, a German toy store, and they had some stuff really cheap, as you can see. And this is the Majorette theme set Explorer. There's two vehicles in here, this one and this one, that have an exclusive color for this theme set. So I thought this looked pretty nice for that price. Could not leave it behind. Also from My Toys is this Lufthansa theme set airport service. There's two theme sets airport service, one regular one and then one with a Lufthansa theme. Then also on that day I went to a store that had a sale on toys. This is in Dutch, I will translate it for you. Toys profit from 50% discount on all articles from the toy department, except folder offerings. Now this all here is important, because turned out when I went into the store, it was not on all offerings or all articles from the toy department, because some of the Hot Wheels stuff was excluded, unfortunately. Among that were some 5-packs I wanted to buy and a 3-pack that I had seen there with a car in it that I'm still missing, the Lamborghini Veneno in blue, the multi-pack exclusive. So I was not able to get that. So that's a little bit misleading, that advertising. But anyways, I did find some good stuff, all 50% off. So this is the other theme set airport service from Majorette. So it's got the same Lamborghini in there, but all the rest is different. The vehicles are the same, but they are in a different livery. Also the plane is in a different color. So this was even cheaper. Also got me this one. This is the Majorette theme set Construction. And then I found me two Matchbox 5-packs that I was missing. The Texas Trooper one, and then the Dirty Mothers. And I also found me some, now let's show this one first. This I did not have yet due to the price. This is way too much money for what is basically a Hot Wheels mainline. So it's still €2 almost, still expensive, but you know, it's one of the nicest Lamborghinis Hot Wheels has done. Just a kind of a primer gray color and taillights and headlights, and that's it. So glad I could still pick one up for a reasonable price. And then we got some car culture here. No, this is pop culture, sorry. I went to 4 different locations of these stores. Only one of them had these. So these are in a DC Comics theme. So this is all the cars that are in there. This is what I paid for them. I got these 3. This one was also there, but I did not pick that one up because that's just a fancy car. It's a bit of a strange looking thing, so I'm not interested in that. And this one, of course, was not there anymore, sold out as usual, because it's a VW. So we got a 66 Dodge A100, a 67 Austin minivan, and a custom 77 Dodge van. Now, for once, I will open these up at the end of the video, because I'm not going to find the VW anyways, and so I don't need the whole set. So I'm going to open them up at the end of the video. Then finally found me some of these 50th favorite ones. I have seen these before, starting from the beginning of the year, but I'm not willing to pay these prices, but for this price I'll take it. So I have now the 56 Chevy. The AMC Javelin was not there. The Econoline I have picked up at the Namak event for €3 only. The Volkswagen Square Bag was sold out everywhere, and the Datsun Bluebird is the one that is over there. So the only reason this one was left in the store is because there seems to be some package drop up here, but if you look at the model, the roof is just fine. So glad to find this one. And this one, you can pretty much find this one still in every store that has these. There were 3 of these. 2 had paint chips, so didn't want that. And this one has some impurity in the paint at the quarter panel in the back. Don't know if it will show up on camera. Just next to the 50th emblem. But I picked it up anyway because, you know, it was cheap and it's not that visible. And it's better than the ones that had a paint chip, of course, because that's more visible. Also picked me up one of these, the Team Transport. Yeah, unfortunately these all have these red stickers on them. This is the only store of the 4 stores I went to where they put the red stickers on the product itself. The other stores put the red sticker on the price label on the peg that indicated that these had 50% off. So, but you know, that's not so bad. And the last one I picked up was this Carnival steamer. I saw this on the FaxDat YouTube channel, and I thought I have to have me one of those. So when I could pick it up for this price, I did not hesitate. They had a bunch of these still, but you know, if you want to sell these for this price, you're going to get stuck with them, or you have to sell them at 50% off. So that was a nice find also. So let's get out the cake dish and take a look at the pop culture ones. First time ever I'm opening up a premium Hot Wheels. Custom 77 Dodge van. There's 2 Dodges in the set. So you get rubber tires, of course, metal base. Next up, the Austin minifan 67. Doesn't want to come out. There it is. And then the last one, the 66 Dodge A100. This one, it feels really heavy. This one has a somewhat of a staggered look, more than the other ones it seems, though this one has a bigger rear wheel too, but here the difference seems way bigger. Let's put them all together. So that's it for this episode. I want to thank everyone for watching my videos in 2018. Thank you also for those of you who subscribed and liked my videos. Also want to thank Wolf for helping me achieve 100 subscribers before the end of the year. I wish you all a happy 2019, a good health, and I hope you find the diecast you are looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.